Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
The toll. Go across the road. Thank you. Yeah, well. Anything goes, guys. I'm at the toll. Road. Pay to go across. Go on. Wow.
On the journey, you know?
On the journey.
I tell you, second time I clean for man, you know.
Yeah.
We're in the fall yesterday now. All of them places, I catch you to drain them and everything then. Fully dirty.
Yeah.
I have to put on some extensive clean, because I clean the whole go for lunch and come back and clean again. Go to clean and on the scene and go clean again. It's a regular clean. The baby don't stop bombing.
Yeah.
Push out all of the vibration, you see it?
Yeah.
They are fit, you know.
I'm see it's looking much better.
Yeah,
you know, way much better.
Only for better. Over the time, you know.
Short space of time.
Yeah, well, you know, we are willing to keep it up, you know.
Yeah.
Because we are willing to keep it up. You know, journey goes on. You see, this morning Osemati was here training, you know.
Osemati?
Yeah, because the football season, you know, so
yeah.
So for Manning Cup to come and train.
Yeah.
So you them come and do them training this morning from the sons, get themselves together.
Yeah.
You know. So we have to also make sure it's in proper order. So we have a lot of visitors come and go, you know. You see it? So that is it for the beach, you know.
Well, it's really windy today, boy.
Yeah, today is a windy day.
It's really windy. Well, guys, as you can see, you know, Father Love been putting in the work, you know, and the place look so many percentage better than before.
Yeah, man, whole.
You know, when I came here, you know, and people them say, yeah, man, fancy my faith and continue day by day.
Yeah, well, you're seeing the place showing on.
Yeah.
See?
Much
all
better.
This you're seeing now is from the rain that fell yesterday.
Oh.
So whenever the rain falls, empties in the harbour.
Yeah.
So the harbour now have to be continually clean. It's a daily job, as I said to you the last interview. I've got man cleaning 4 times a day.
Yeah.
The man's are on their break now, you know.
Yeah, comes to one of them with that ailment just now.
All he's doing is lunch break, you know. Try love work. Look how I get slim.
Yeah.
Love working up here, you know.
You put in the work same time.
Give me a vibe. Some love smoke weed and some love work, you know.
Yeah.
Give me a vibe.
And then now working right next to the beach, right there, so to the water.
Nice feelings.
Nice feelings.
Can't get, you know.
'Cause it don't even feel hot.
Cool.
Cool.
Like in the gym running, you know.
Yeah.
For me, the beach is my gym, yeah? Remember, yeah? I don't have to pay no 4,000 for the month subscription.
So this is your gym.
Yeah, you know, just keep it going, you know?
Yes, I
Gymnastic, you know?
like the spirit.
Yes, man.
Like the spirit,
I
man.
love the spirit, you know? You know? Mother Nature, work with Mother Nature, you know?
Yes, I.
If I work with Mother Nature, it gives us that nice free spirit, you know?
Yeah.
You don't feel that, you don't feel, you know? Especially when you're a nationalist, you know, doing something for your country is always nice, you know? You're not the one who wants to reap or, you know? You know, take all the things from our country. We want to give back to our country, you know?
Yeah.
On a level where our community can come with their kids and enjoy the nice things and facilities. You know?
Of course.
And you know, cleanliness is godliness.
Yes.
So through that factor, you have to keep it clean. Cleans and pure heart, you know? And don't matter you see it happening, every day I have to get up and be, don't.
Yeah.
Well, I feel every day I'm here, you know, come on my retirement. It's a nice feeling, you know? So the journey going, you know?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, guys, as you can see, it's much better than how it was before. You know, he's been taking his time day by day, putting in the work, you know, and it looks brighter, you know, look brighter than before. As I say, never give up, never lose faith. And it's very windy, so hopefully you can hear it clearly, you know. So it's very windy here. As you can see, it's rough today at the sea, it's very rough, but it's a nice energy over here, you know. As you can see, place look much better than before, you know. You guys been saying that I hope him don't lose faith, just continue putting the work, and that's what he's been doing, you know. He's been continue putting the work, and as you can see before, this place was a mess, you know, and little by little, day by day, you know, with the help that he's getting, everything look much better. You see me just further ahead now, you got some more rubbers going up, but so far you can see that, you know, most of the dust, most of the trouble is out the way, you know, most.
About 20 truck road I think clean up.
Oh, about how much?
I estimate about 27, 28 truck road of stuff in here.
Yeah.
The other day, I know all you can find a load, you know.
Yeah. So it was about 20 a truckload was here, rubbish.
I know when you come to the you can't find a load.
Yeah.
Big volume.
Of course.
The extent of the journey, you know. Look at it over there. It's so nice seeing the harbor.
Yeah.
Seeing things coming and going, you know.
Yeah.
It shows you also the amount of work that is being done by the commercial industry, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. Jamaica become a nice place where, you know, you can in transit. Things come here, leave here, go to other Caribbean countries. So up on that ground, the economy develop.
Yes. And a message to Jamaica and the world. Please don't litter the sea. Don't litter the ocean. Everything will lead back here and land.
Yeah. Real talk.
Yes. It's gonna definitely lead back here and land, because I want thing to know, the sea will purge itself. And when it purges itself, you got no ways to go more than on the land.
Yeah.
And this is what it show the signs, you know. It's not taking in anything and spit it right back out at us.
Yeah.
So if you throw the rubbish pan, then I'm gonna throw it back at us, right?
Yeah, and if I, like the other day, you know, and a comment was made that we are here scamming. So to speak, when they say scamming, they say we're asking for donation in terms of the work, you know.
Yeah.
And for some people to see it and say we're scamming, oh gosh, they are so ridiculous.
Yes, very.
Because you can see the work.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
If he or she, you know, feels the journey and wishes to patronize the journey, we shouldn't call it scamming, man. We must call it dedicated people who are so loving at heart.
Of course,
So we have to be careful.
Yes,
very careful of our journey, yeah?
Yeah.
Because, you know, a lot of work. And
that will be the percentage, the minority of the negative people that we are always up against.
And not everybody is going to good and love it.
No, that is the problem. And then if you imagine the person that behind that comment, that making a comment, they must look in the mirror and look into themselves and say who they believe in. You know? If you believe in love or you believe in hate.
Love and hate could never be
It
friends.
could never be friend. So if
Look at the work.
exactly.
See, as I said, now I'm on my second clean from the morning.
Yeah.
And this gonna be taken up with the barrow, and I can tell by 3 o'clock through the type of air and the nature that is going on the roughness of the beach. We have to clean again.
Of course.
That couldn't be scamming.
Could never.
And if I ask for support and donation, that couldn't be scamming.
It could never be.
I know why it reached that stage. The government take too long or fails to look at us.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
community loves us.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
comes and they bathe, they do all kind, you know.
Of
things
course.
that is,
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know, natural to do.
It's
you know.
natural.
You know, as I said earlier on, us the football team was here training.
Yes.
And we make it possible for them.
Yeah.
And for that is where I get my reward. you know.
Of course.
I call that my blessing, to see others happy.
Mm-hmm.
To see others happy is Father love blessing.
Blessings. Of
Remember
course.
that clearly, you know.
And that's
As
the
I
blessings
say,
of love.
Nothing can stop us, believe me. Not even death can stop us.
No,
We're on the
no,
journey.
no,
Believe
no.
me, the key, you know.
Ula, man.
So
So
just to
Father.
understand,
Yeah.
as I said again, to all of us, let your faith be stronger than your fear.
True.
When you reach that stage of your life, now you fully comprehend what nature has to offer.
Yes.
We're gonna all live around here, and whosoever live around here, you know, and I say some transcend, you know, we carry nothing with us.
No. So we're only here for a short period of time.
Yeah, we
You
carry
know.
nothing with us.
And we get to when we're here, we just make sure to make use of our time.
Yeah, so while we are here, we are willing to put out that energy.
Of
that
course.
others can enjoy.
Because for sure, we cannot take the sea with us.
No.
We cannot take Portmore Harbour Beach with
No.
us. We cannot take the car. We cannot take the house. We cannot even take the clothes. We cannot take not even the physical body. We cannot take with us. We're not going. Nothing at all.
Yeah,
You cannot take. Even the word where you speak, you cannot take it with you. Nothing at all.
Yeah, look at
So,
Dennis.
so when you come here, what you see here in this universe right now, when you leave here, we're going to make it stay here.
This is a this is a full, when you say full performance of what we are called loving your country. you
Of
know?
course.
How many people love their country? I have some ministers them that. Because at the end of the day, most of them go into politics. And what they do in politics is to make their kitty full,
Yeah.
pocket full, and oppress the little man in the street. Yeah. The little man in the street need place to be comfortable too, you know. Especially when you know you're a born Jamaican.
Yeah.
Be a born Jamaican, a nationalist who loves their country. Only a person who loves their country could do something like this.
Of course.
Yeah,
Of
I can
course.
tell you clearly from my heart, all of get nothing from them. Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all, but all my blessing comes from the Almighty.
Almighty.
Yeah, and I'm not here to say then try to, you know, benefit in terms of material from anyone.
No.
My benefit is a reward in Zion.
All right.
By the sweat of your brow, they say you get bread, you know, you eat bread, you know, I'm telling you this, you know.
Because we say the same material, we cannot take it with us.
Alright,
You know, we cannot.
No.
So what's the point? You know, we're gonna die for it. No. We die for righteousness
It's a
and
lovely
stand for
day,
it. Yes, of
Kino.
course.
Nice to see you, man. You
Yeah,
know?
man. I'm
And you come catch me, you know.
right in action.
Put my gun in my hand.
Yes.
Yeah.
The rake.
Yeah. Gun in my
That is the only weapon we use.
Yes, yeah.
Weapon of cleanliness.
Try all for them who don't live in cleanliness and godliness. See? And with God all things are possible.
Of course. Of
Yeah, man,
course.
believe me,
Man.
man. See, look again the work. When I came here, when we came up here a week ago and I see my head was like this, you know. I wasn't here to interview with Kina, but Kina have done an interview showing the place, and
I'm
for
gonna
many
tell you.
people, I think they get a misunderstanding of the whole thing, you know. But I'm here today, come catch me with my gun in my hands.
Of course. See that is it.
Ready for boss it? Sing about it. Off the line. So we're about it in a righteousness.
In our righteousness.
Yeah.
Make sure
man.
cleanliness,
Yeah, it's
you know,
godliness.
so at least God can walk on his usual on the beach.
The kids
you know.
them can come and
Yes.
enjoy.
Kaisi for me, Father Love, that's one thing I don't pay attention. The naysayers, negative mind. Because, yes, because when you pay them attention, you give them more identity for being what they are.
Yes, man.
You know? So when you give them the silence, like they're not noticed.
Yeah.
Right? So don't pay them no attention. So it's up to you if you want to be negative or you want to be positive. I cannot tell you which road to choose, but I choose righteousness and I choose love.
Yeah, man. Kina,
Right?
good youth. Let me
Yes.
say good youth, good youth.
Righteousness and love, that's the only
You
thing I
know,
could choose,
good
because
youth, you know.
whenever I'm leaving here, at least I know my heart is full of love. I'm full of righteousness. I'm not leaving with no hate in my heart for nobody at all. I'm trying to be that negative person. So there's two things in the world, negative and positive. It says your choice, love and hate. It's your choice. Good and bad, still your choice.
And I must make also keen on politics for some of them. Some of them is ignorance. They don't know.
Yes.
They don't know, you know. It's different from when you know, you know.
They're still sleeping.
Yeah, so
Wake up.
Yeah,
Wake up. Why are you still sleeping?
You know.
Look at the time now. Get up.
And I should inject to make it clear. We call it spiritual awakening.
Yes. If you don't understand what we said, it's spiritual awakening.
Your third eye.
You know?
Open your third eye to reality.
Well,
you know?
them don't even open one of them eye much, that's the third. You're still sleeping, so I don't think you reach the third. But you have to open one eye, two eye, and then open that whole eye. And also your heart have to open.
When Mother Nature speaks, look at Mother Nature speak.
Yeah. Listen. We listen.
It's so beautiful to see Mother Nature hitting against the shore of humanity.
Of course.
Sending the blessing right through all harbor, you know. And then I say again, you know,
just the blessings of love, man. No, man, nothing at all.
No politician, no anyone who deal with negativity. It's just a positive vibe.
Because what we have to do in a Father Love, there's one thing we have to do exactly. We have to accept there's going to be negative energy. Because there's two energy, negative energy and positive energy. Because it works together.
Yeah.
It takes the negative energy to know if you're a positive.
Right.
So if you're going to react and be negative as a negative person, I mean, so you're a negative person also.
Right.
So what the negative energy is around to do is try to disrupt the positive energy.
Really?
Right? So whenever you have a group of good, the negative energy have to play its part. That's one thing for sure. The negative energy have to play its part. Just like if you're the positive guy, you have to do your good part. Play the good. So just like the negative energy now, they have to play the negative part. So whenever there's anything good going on or a group of guys, the negative energy come in, knocking the door, you know, try to get in one's head. You know, the always say, you know, one bad apple spoil the whole bunch. So it always try to get to one bad apple and they try to spoil the bunch, you know, because of the good.
Say so. We could also say the chain is as weak as its weakest link.
Exactly.
So knowing that, you have to make sure at all times the service is chain.
Exactly.
Keep it oil.
And keep it oil.
Keep it going.
Yes.
That means you're not link, no weak.
No.
Strong. Link on top.
So you have to always remind yourself to be on the right side. It's either you stand for something or you will fall for anything. And I'm a man that stand for righteousness. So I cannot fall for unrighteous. You understand? Because righteousness is God, is love, is unity, is peace. So that's what I stand for. So I cannot stand for unrighteousness. It cannot break me nor make me. You understand?
Righteousness exalts a nation.
Exactly.
So remember that. Exalt a nation. We Jamaican, we love our country.
Yes.
We love our people. That's why I'm standing here today.
Because it's love.
Father love.
It's love. That's how creates. It's love. The Almighty, the Creator Himself, never created us off of yet. Right. How can you make something? You ever cook and in a bad mood yet? The food will never taste good. You understand? If you're cooking in a bad mood, the food will never taste good. So how can you be of 8? How can you be?
Joyful to see you here today.
Yes, sir. Cool, man. Yeah, man, I'm saying, we like what we see, you know, and despite the Almighty still give me the health and strength, I'm carried through day by day.
And the beach is always here ready for all those who want to full charge. You know?
Portmore Harbour Beach.
Come on, we'll be always here ready for those who want to full charge. Because so long as Father love the on the ground, you know, it will always be loved. Believe me, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, believe me, man. So just right there, you know.
Yes, man, see there.
Yeah, man.
See there, people, as you can see. The journey continues same way.
Yeah, man.
Father love, you know, been through the roughest storm. That was a rough destination, you know. So move on now, still on the journey.
Yeah, you know, looking forward to see the finish line.
Exactly.
Everything is nice and fine.
The beautiful,
man,
you know, crystal clear water, guys, as you can see. Never give up in life, you know. Never, never, never. And I'm telling you, this feeling, this ambience, this breeze that I'm getting from the
What you're seeing now just came up this morning. I want to assure them with that. All you're seeing now is a reflection of the last night rain coming in the harbour this morning. Spanish Town flood out.
Yeah.
What rain and Spanish Town
flood out, yes, for
sure.
sure.
You see. So as I know, when you know the beach, you realize that, as I say again, the word the harbour, everything will come here.
Yeah.
Surrounding St. Catherine, Royal Cove, everything will come here. But I'm here to make you show you so look beautiful.
Of course.
Because I know it can be beautiful. I have the magic touch to it.
Because if you're not doing it,
Who's gonna do it?
the negative person that's speaking, are they gonna do it?
Well, that's a big question, folks.
The negative personnel, are they going to do it?
Yes. Because look, you see, Father love, very humble and very loving, you know. I can tell you that, you know. And a lot of people who know me, when they say all Father love with a rate, they're surprised. Can't believe, you know, because Father love so much other thing could do. But for me, as I said again, it's my gym.
Yes.
It's also my assurance of my peace of mind. Make me feel one with nature. Look at it.
Of course.
It's so cool. Like I'm in
So
my
cool.
AC, in my office.
So cool.
I'm in my office now. Yeah.
Of course.
Enjoying life. Yeah.
That's right.
So give thanks to the
Give
nation.
thanks, yeah, man, every time. Because I'm looking at that blue seat right there, so right
Yeah,
now,
that's me
and it's
too.
calling me.
Yeah.
That-
Yeah. Kick and relax.
yeah, it's calling me, you know.
And look at the big ship coming in.
Of course.
You feel good, man.
I'm taking some of these vibes,
Yeah.
this energy vibes, you know. So guys, life, you know, is not what you think it is, but it's how you live it. So you can live for good or you can live for bad. It's up to you, it's your choice. There's nothing I can do, you know, more than I have to continue to be me, you know, continue to live for the Almighty Himself, you know, because He's the only one can judge me. He's the one that can seize everything that we are doing. We cannot hide anything from the Almighty. So even if you're telling lie, the Almighty knows when you're lying. If you're hiding behind a closed door, the Almighty knows, you know. So there's nothing, you know. So it's up to you. Life is what it is, man. We're only here for a short period of time. So make use of it. And as you can see, Father have been putting in some work, you know. And he's done so much so far, you know, so it's not far to go. As you can see how far it stretches, so he's not far away now, you know. He's been doing this work, he's been cleaning up same way. So hopefully you guys can hear him because it's very windy over here, very very windy. So just take a look. Remember all of this place how it was? It's dedication. You know, it's all dedication. And this is what, you know, come from the rainfall yesterday. As you can see, him taking time, clear it out, same way, little by little, you will get there. Little by little, you will definitely get there. So as you can see how far the work is stretched to. Slowly but surely it's getting there, you know. Look. So you see how far, you know, how far Father Love is all the way down there. And then now you see how many work that is from there to here. You know, and it's going to continue all the way that way. So. Energy. Taking the beauty. It's very rough, same way, very rough. Yes. This blue chair been calling me. So see the worker is going back out. you know, put in him shift, you know, with a barrow. Yes, my general. Put in the work.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in some work. Place up to the store.
Eh?
Today I get by the place up to the
Yeah, because I know it's needed, you know. We give thanks for your strength, same way. You know, playing a part because it wasn't easy.
No.
It wasn't easy, you know.
They give us a challenge, but
Yes. But with the Almighty and strength,
we found it.
yes, went right through it, man. Right through it.
Naturally.
So no challenge never too hard.
No. Once you put your mind to it,
No
you shall
challenge.
get it.
No hill never too high to climb.
No.
Never. Once you put your mind to it. Because the mind is a powerful thing, you know.
Mine is, yeah.
Mind is a powerful. Yes. Because that's what part of it has about.
Instead
eh?
of you fail twice
You
in the
fail.
race.
Exactly. Before you even start, you fail. You know. Once you see it, you tell yourself, say, yo, you know what, so I lose. You lose it before you even talk it.
True.
Because already in your thoughts before you even
That's why
speak it.
positiveness is always
Yes.
better
To be positive than negative, because you know positive vibration is higher, you know, than the negative vibration, and drop your spirits really low. So you know, if you feel positive during the day, your energy is so up, you know, upbeat. But if you feel negative, you feel down, you know, you feel like all different type of things run across your mind, you feel like giving up. But when you're positive, man, that carry you through, boy, that carry you through. And this is what carrying you through today, you know, naturally. How simple it is, wow. Damn. So guys, I'm gonna take in some of this ambience right here, right now. Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome back to Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, I just leave Portmore Harbour Beach. You know, now I'm back in Trenchtown. You know, so pick up yourself, Father love. You know, nothing but love and blessed love. You know, so I'm here now in Trenchtown. You know, gonna give out. I got some donation for the ladies, them as well, for the Dream Team ladies. You know, for some individuals. So I'm just gonna be and I also got one for Esther mom as well too. So I'm gonna visit Esther mom also and give her a donation that I got for her. Yeah, that baby for me as well, please. Yes, sir. Yes, guys. So and I thank you so much because I see big improvement, you know, and liking the videos. You know, I must tell you thank you so much. I see that improvement and liking the videos. So maybe I should be reminding you. All right. You want help?
Yeah.
Slide, yeah, slide.
Yeah, thanks.
Good, sir. That's an level, you know. Boy, I'm all it. Let's come on. Come on, sit me. That paveway is rough. Lift it over a little bit. Just hold on. Okay? And then right so it's so high here as well.
You know, I go wide.
You go wide?
I still but me.
You go wide from right here, so? Let me lift it over. Come.
So we can open it there. What do you think? Yeah, slide in.
Slide in. Alright, hold on, so let me take this.
Yeah.
Hold on to my shoulder. Hold on to my shoulder. Yeah? Let me take this right here. Let's step up. Step up. So hold on to my shoulder, see me? Let me see me. Hold on to my shoulder, yeah. Shoot, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good now?
Yeah, man, I'm good as you know. Thank you very much, miss.
Yeah, hold on to that.
Thank you very much.
You cut in any way?
No, them alright. Oh yes,
alright now.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Boy, I see it's a struggle, boy. If you go and come back through the yard, not smooth.
Yeah, that man.
Yeah, the lot of stones them in the yard, not smooth.
If I walk, I mean, I cook money.
If I was a
The walker, the one.
You have another one?
Yeah, Marvin buy one cent, but give me.
Oh, one tweet.
If I give me a moon slide.
Oh.
Can't treat that 4-wheel.
Oh, so you want the one with the 4-wheel?
4-wheel one me.
Okay, so you're rather the one with the 4-wheel?
Yeah, I want the alright. I went there go to that Sunday daytime.
I to use?
Use it, but through me there in the yard. You work with that one now.
Oh, you work with this because you're in the yard?
Yeah.
So that means you have to work with the 4-wheel more often then, since the yard is like...
That what do you know?
Yeah, since the yard is like this.
Yeah. I work with that one, you know, with you.
It's a good thing me I pass by, you know?
Yeah.
Because that's struggle to get up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just work with the 4-wheel one then, you know?
I mean, at daytime, I step it up and get out of the house.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'm on tongue,
Alright then, no problem, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, take care. Yes. Wow. Yeah, okay back, alright. This guys, him fall down because the yard is not smooth. Yes guys, so him fall down on the yard because the yard is not smooth, you know, so in the kind of struggle, so him slide and drop. Sister Junie, sister. Yeah. So I got a donation here for his stomach. Woohoo!
Look at this swing.
Mr. Winston. Mr. Winston dropped me. I have to take him up. On there, so yeah. Because you know, I come to walk and the place not smooth, lot of stones and the tree stumps. So I made have to bring him in a while ago. Yeah, come on the right time though. Come on the right time.
So I'm going in?
Yeah, we'll bring him in. So so I got a donation here for your sister.
Yes.
I got a next donation here for you from Dawn from Maryland.
Dawn from Maryland?
Yeah. Got $5,000 here for you.
Wow.
From Dawn from Maryland.
Dawn from Maryland? Thank you so much. One day I want to see you. I don't know if you come to Jamaica, but when you come, come and look for me.
Yes.
Because I want to see you. I want to know your personal.
Yes.
May the good Lord bless you. It is so good. $5,000. I know you guys in America will have a hard time work. America is not easy. But you see, thank the Lord. You know, you send this for me. I know that it's because you love me.
Yes, it's nothing
yes,
but
I know
love.
that.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Dawn.
Dawn from
You're
Maryland.
a darling. Dawn from Maryland, you're a darling girl. And God bless you and keep on blessing you, okay?
Every time.
For giving me this. Well, I'm going to have this now. It's going to help me to pay for my injection.
Okay.
4,000.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I will give thanks. It's a blessing.
Yeah, you know, this is a blessing. God is good enough. Him always provide for me.
All the time.
Yes, all the time, Kino. All the time.
Never
Yesterday,
fails.
yeah, don't fail. Yes, yesterday I was talking to the Lord and said, God, you are my provider. You know, people keep on sending
Blessing
something
you.
for me and blessing me. Yeah. Yeah.
He is the provider, man. Can I know them say once you do good, good shall return.
And people always say, I love to give.
Yes.
But when you give, you receive, you know?
Yes.
And better to give than to receive.
Of course.
Yeah. So God bless you. Dawn from Maryland.
Yes.
And remember, when you come to Jamaica, come and look for me.
All right.
Okay.
You hear that, Dawn? So please, when you come to Jamaica, come and look for Sister Junie. Yeah? Look for your dear pastor. She will definitely give you some good prayer. And please come to our church whenever you come to Jamaica as well.
Yes.
Come visit our church.
Yes.
Right? All right then,
Okay.
sister. So take care.
For the other one, you know, that you say the young lady that sent something for me.
The other day, Forgot the name. Sorry, I forgot the name. You know.
I thought you put it up.
Yes, I did.
So me tell you.
Oh, you miss it. You miss it then. No, it's up. Yeah, that was up from the next day. Yes, from the next day it was up. And that's why. I forgot. I'll tell you which one is it. I forgot look and tell you which one is it. Yeah.
God bless you.
Yes. So, alright, bobbing ball. So I got a donation as well to for you from Little You, Nutsy, you know, a white van from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You know, so it's coming from Little You, Nutsy, a white van from Church Avenue. Well, Little You, so thank you, Little You.
Thank you, Little You, Nutsy, white van from Church Avenue, New York.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate this gift.
Yes, you see? It's never hard. It's alright, you can come out, man. You can come out.
Yeah.
Alright then, so yeah, man. Alright, so give thanks to Nuts. Look at you, to look yourself white van, you know, Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You know, and send a donation for the Dream Team ladies. You know, the thing goes already. So okay, so we have some familiar faces out here. Whoa. We have some familiar faces. We have Jenna as well to here. Jenna.
Oh, Jesus.
Well, Jenna, you was still sleeping.
Yeah, you wait, man.
Yeah, Natisha, pure sleep when I sleep.
Better than them.
Better than them. Debbie.
Just come and say the choir.
Okay, see how they. Alright, so we have a donation for you as well too. For the Dream Team ladies. Yes, for the Dream Team ladies. So, hold on there. Hello, business with you and baby.
I said, time for door shot a while.
Yeah.
Just send me to the car. As I reach down there, I say people good enough to hear him. Every time something happens to you, I don't say reach.
That him say?
I feel out and come out.
I know. Yeah, the thing goes.
Come out and see if I look
Alright, so we have a donation for the Dream Team ladies them. You know. And it's coming from Little You, Nutsy, the white van, you know, the same Trenchtownians them, you know. We'll look out for the food for the other day for the elders them. So them same one send this donation, you know. From Little You, Nutsy, white van, you know, being with a place from Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. Yeah. So we have 5,000 each. You're Jella, so forgive it, be you.
Keep it to Sam. Keep it to Sam. I'm back to school time.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah. Nutsy, white van from
Church Avenue. Look, big up yourself.
Yeah.
Keep safe. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe. May your basket never empty. Look at you. Love and love only. Thank you very much. Look at you.
Yes, I. You see there. So here you go, baby. Jelly, you want to fire?
Look at you.
No, keep it now. I want Sam's comfy from you. Look at you. Big up yourself. Nutsy, white van, Church Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. You don't know. Big up on yourself. Big up all the extended family. The food basket never empty. Blessings. May I come back in the footer. Come on now.
Yeah.
The foot not too.
Not too.
Yeah.
Then get a foot.
That look like it a come back.
It a come back, man. The foot a come back, man.
You should give back him.
Yeah, they're going to do one.
Yeah, if we go run him back.
I do want MRI next week.
One thing I have to do, like your foot have sickness.
And you give me sickness now, foot the answer.
I don't business with them. Where's your baby?
Yeah, money.
Yeah, thing go. I get 5 years for you as well too. From Little You,
look at you.
Nutsy, White Van,
White Van.
and from Church Avenue.
Church Avenue. Brooklyn. Big up on yourself. Respect every time. You're in the food basket, never run dry.
Yeah.
Good lad, keep on guide and protect them always. One team.
Dream team.
Love and love and no one.
Team, look at you.
One team, look at you.
Not
Yeah.
say.
Big up yourself. Yeah, man, no, so big up yourself every time. You know where thing go. And we have liquor. A donation as well too from Nutsy. Patrick, I'm coming to you. Right? Coming to you. From Nutsy, look at you, White Van. So,
Nutsy, look at you and White Van, thank you very much.
from Brooklyn, New York.
Brooklyn, New York, may God bless you and keep you.
Alright, so we give thanks, we give thanks, we give thanks. Big up yourself, look at you. Anything but Nutsy, White Van, big up on yourself each and every time. Patrick! Hold on, I want for Patrick. Always the Patrick at the right time, never the wrong time.
God bless. Dream team, Kina and Dream team.
Yes, I.
God bless. Dream team, all the time.
All the time.
Bless.
So I have $5,000 a year for you. From Dawn, from Maryland. 5,000 a year for you.
Thank you very, 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 very much. Thank you very much.
See there.
Thank you very much.
So county says 5. Dawn from Maryland.
John, thank you very, very, very much, John. God bless you. And make life easy for you. And make you successful in the work where you do. And your business, whatever your business you do. God bless you. Thank you for this. Right in need, right in time.
Yes,
Thank you very much.
Yes, I.
Thank you very much, John. God bless you.
Alright then, so you're good otherwise, right? And it come at the right time.
Yes. Come at the right time. Come at the right time.
So must call the right time, man. You are the right timing, never the wrong timing, right? Yeah.
God bless you.
Alright then, big up, yeah? Alright then. Wow, chef. Yes, so we have a donation as well too. This is coming from Padawat. She said to help out with the project. So she cannot wait to see it finished, so she's waiting on that day. She's waiting on that day. Yes, some work not get done from the other day, so as soon as we get the time, everything goes already. So she said this is for helping out with the project, So this is 28,000 from Padawat.
Thank you very much, Just a wake up to morning, me asleep still, so project up and running, man. It's soon done, man. Finish, I come up here now, Thank you very much, man. Yeah, blessed love.
Alright, come give thanks from Padawat, big up yourself. Padawat. Big up yourself, Padawat, everything goes well. Thank you so much for this donation. And also Nutsy, big up yourself. White Van, and look at you, big up yourself. Yes. Yeah. Huh?
Thank Dan.
Thank Dan? Yeah, man, thank her.
Yeah, man, thank you, Dan. Thank you for this. You heard that? Thank you very, very, very much. And thank God you remember me to send this come to me.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dan.
Yes.
Thank you very, very, very much. And bless up Kino and Dream Team at all times. God bless. Thank you, Dan.
Dan, hear Dan? And say it more than one time. Mr. Look at you, Nutsy. White Van. Oh, and Spraga say must big him up too.
Spraga. Enough love, all for blessing, you know. Yeah, Spragga, big up yourself, man.
Yeah.
Man, you see?
Yeah.
Up on the ground, man, so. Right there, someone Spragga say, you know,
Yeah.
there, you know.
Alright, Spragga, so you know, it's your time next to send in the millions, yeah, Spragga?
Yeah,
So big up on yourself, one church to one and then at the place here. I give thanks, giving back, you know the thing goes, I will thank you so much for the giving back, you know. One dream team, that is it. Perfect on the light, on the far right.
that is it, you know.
Yes. So wake up Natish out of the bed and Gel out of the bed.
Yeah, man, and me just come out of the bed, you know, I sleep at 12 o'clock, you know.
And 12 o'clock.
Yeah, you see me, proper.
I run out of breath, say my mind him own a business. You're a business.
It's just a an extended family. Big up, love.
Straight, no flow.
One team, dream team. With them a pre-bow, you know a key,
Yeah.
Oh, kind of loving Father Joe who's up in the heaven. Please, I'm asking for health, strength, and protection, not just for me, but for everyone.
Yes.
It's just a regular Saturday night in the summer. Same guys and girls are out in the street.
Yeah.
It's like the music stopped playing the moment I saw your body. Did you come here with someone or did you come here to party with me? My little eye. I don't know where, girl. Where you been all my life? Where you been trying to hide? It's like you come from another world. Fell right out of the sky. Lie with me tonight, my little eye. I don't know where, girl. Big up Kino. One team. Dream team. All excellent family. One love.
Hello. That is it. And we have the viral king. The man that all over TikTok, you know.
Yeah, man, it's
They were calling me and say, Kino, where did Jackson get that waist from? And I tell them I don't know, have to ask him himself. Jackson them ask where you get the waist from. They want to know.
We're born with it, man.
They born with it.
Yeah, man, born with it. Everything we're born with.
Yeah.
Everything we're born with.
Them say that waist is not real, you know. Them say that cannot be real.
That not sell on Amazon.
They not sell on Amazon.
Find that.
Yeah.
Try find that, because that is on Amazon.
They must say no.
Original.
They must say Jax is moving even more flexible than the young people them these days. You know, they might wonder where him get that waist from. You know, is it waistline?
Elastic waist from the days.
When them play football on the road and tell them to take on them to all man, yeah.
Yeah.
I 6 me give them, the next man, and tell them to take on them to all men up and
Yeah.
me can't play no more ball, so they see me grew up and look like me
Yeah.
I put ball to them and flick a ball over them and then turn the idiot.
Yes.
I put buy with juice and give you all the money.
So where you get the energy from? The food, the
food.
the weed, the bourbon.
Don't ban it any way you want it, any time ready, any minute, any second, anywhere.
Yeah. It's natural.
Yeah, man, I'm telling man, catch your ears, man. The bourbon kind of get a kick, you know. If you make it, you see?
Yeah. Hey, so the rum play a part.
No, when from where from ever since we are together, we are party. We have nice time. In one chef, woman, girl, we know say it was nice. Because body they want the waist, body want the laugh, body want the wine.
Yeah, man, I want to the party. I will start drinking one shot and wine there.
Yes.
Turn over.
Yeah.
Turn over, man. Yeah, man. Every style again.
Every style again.
Every style again.
Yes, man.
That's what
Yes, right.
everyone want to party with, man. Waistline God. Yeah, man, elastic.
Hey, boy. Hey, the man have some juke there. We're from North Gas South. Hey. She said she's imagine. She started to imagine. She said if only. She said if there is only. You know, she said everyone need a Rasta Jackson right now in her life. And tell me, you have to get the remedy with Jackson. Oh, the Vitamac? Yeah.
Vitamac too, you know. Vitamac are working. Look a bit left, you know.
No, don't get no of that, you know.
Get none.
Yeah.
If we get to that, the word.
Alright. Okay, yeah. And a good thing we never get because we never want it worse.
Yeah, quite like worse.
You say what?
Great mystery one man, you know. My phone, you know. After 7, you know. I'm my man, but I take a teaspoon, you know. Yo, genius.
Is it energy?
Yo, let's you know. I'm done, and next time I'm done. Up and running, see?
Yeah.
I want to take too much, isn't it? Can I overdose myself?
I ain't go on, man. I ain't go on.
Hey, the vitamin.
Hey, I ain't go on. I ain't go on.
I'm telling you, know, two me have enough. You don't want to get him one chip in my ear and so because I'm ready to eat it. No pull it and nothing.
Yeah.
No pull it. It's there.
Yeah.
See me?
Yeah.
The next one is
Yes.
But I know me not use that. That you
left man alive. All right, I'm take some right now morning, man.
It's a trouble. Alright, man. When I go get your one, Jackson. I'm going to bust you. Yeah, I'm going to bust you. Wait. Baby, can you get the Vitamac for your knee, you know?
Oh, me no want one. Me no want that.
Get the Vitamac for your knee, boy. What chef say, yo, a trouble. Yeah, man. The man come do a review, a follow up on it, you know? Get what feedback, and also go on. Vitamac, stamina mark, energy, run on the ball field, run faster than Usain Bolt, broke him record. Why you think Kishina run so fast from the other day?
Yeah.
It's Vitamac 9.77.
can't come fuck me idea about me own.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.